Hello, hello. So for today's video, I'm going to be making mock-ups of the stationery set that I plan to launch this fall. So I actually printed out, they're 2-up thumbnails. It's not the full size, but I printed this out just so I can see what it looks like visually on paper. I went through it, kind of made some markups of some corrections I'm going to make. I'm deliberately not showing the cover because I want to surprise that for later. But I have like a calendar spread here, and I've got like some monthly, task pages. And I also had my sister Anne look at it and see if there was anything that she had a comment on, and I had her mark it up as well. Of course, being the author planner, so I thought who better than her to provide some feedback on what this actually looks like. So let's get started.
So one of the print vendors I'll be working with also prints on a special type of paper, and it's a recyclable and rip proof, and it's pretty thick. It's about 14 mil. So here, I'll just kind of, can you see how I'm trying to rip this? Okay, here, maybe I'll demonstrate on a regular piece of paper. So this is a 24 pound. So look how easy that tears off. So what I'm going to do is take printouts of my cover design and tape it onto the special paper provided by my printer. Okay, so I know what you're thinking. Tape it. It's going to be looking a little rough. That's going to look a little strange. Believe it or not, this is a great way to get a visual on what your product is going to look like, especially if you're not able to order an actual sample. So kind of going down memory lane a little bit, one of my first jobs out of college, I worked at a souvenir stationery company, and every year we would have meetings with Disney and basically present to them what products we want to sell in the following year. We would literally tape artwork to these products and just present it to them at these meetings, and it worked. I mean, they were able to get a really good feel for, you know, what the crayons felt like in the hand, you know, what type of paper we might be using for the coloring books, or any type of note, like any type of stationery, souvenir stationery would sell in the theme parks. They would know, okay, this is a spiral bound cute little notebook with a pen that has a rubber grip, or anything like that. And again, all this artwork was, we took their artwork and would tape it, literally tape it around a product. Here, for example, I'll just show you a pen. We would literally just tape artwork around the barrel, or I'm trying to find a notebook here. Or we would like print out pages of a notepad with, say, like one of the characters on the corner with like some cool borders. But basically that's what we would do. We would just show them samples of what products might look like. So never underestimate the power of a taped up mock-up.
here's the first mock-up ever. And here's the planner. Oh, so this is for the stickers. I do need to fix this. So this folder is for the stickers. I need to cut down just a little bit, but other than that, I like how it turned out. Let me go grab the stickers to put in here. Here's one sample that's done. So it'll go in here. So this is a double-sided pocket, so you can put other stuff in here too that you want, if you want any papers, any receipts, whatever you want. So there you go. Okay, so I got the mock-ups done, and then now I'm gonna test them out, use them for a few weeks, probably make a couple final design changes before I send the covers out to the printers. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.